Welcome to 2264 South Belaire Road in Apache Junction's Palm Springs neighborhood, a newly updated home with no HOA, offering comfort and space in a convenient location. The kitchen provides plenty of cabinet space, a smooth top range with oven, and a built-in microwave. While the spacious owner's suite includes a bay window and walk-in closet. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features an open great room floor plan with vaulted ceilings, fresh paint, 2-inch blinds, and brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the main areas, plus new carpet in the bedrooms. A convenient inside laundry room adds to everyday ease. Step outside to a covered patio overlooking a large backyard with alley access, 2 storage sheds, an extended 2-car garage, and RV gate, perfect for outdoor living and hobbies. Move-in ready and thoughtfully updated, this Palm Springs home offers a combination of style, function, and privacy, all with no HOA.